If you do not yet have the university place you want, this is a clear, step-by-step guide to using UCAS Clearing to find one. Step 1. Research available courses. You can start researching clearing courses once exam results are available, and many students begin earlier to feel prepared. On What Uni, clearing courses are updated regularly. You can add your grades or predicted grades to filters to focus on courses where you may have a realistic chance of acceptance. This helps narrow your options quickly and confidently. Step 2. Create a shortlist. Create a free account on What Uni to save clearing courses you are interested in. You can only add one clearing choice at a time in UCAS, so aim to narrow your shortlist to 3 to 5 courses you would genuinely accept. It is worth checking back regularly, as course availability can change. Step 3. Contact universities. Once you are ready, contact the universities on your shortlist using the clearing contact details provided. Before you call, have these ready: your UCAS ID, your clearing number if you have one, your grades, a short explanation of why you want the course. If the university is happy, they may give you an informal offer and explain the next steps. Step 4. Accept your offer in UCAS Hub. When you receive an offer you want to accept, log into UCAS Hub and add the course as your clearing choice. You can only add one course, so take a moment to be sure it is right for you. The university will then review and confirm your place. Step 5. Visit a clearing open day. Some universities offer clearing open days or campus visits. These can be a good opportunity to ask questions about the course, accommodation, and student life before you start. Step 6. Sort your accommodation. Once your place is confirmed, start planning your accommodation. If university halls are limited, you may be supported with private halls, private renting, or commuting options. When you are ready, head to What Uni to explore clearing courses, build a shortlist, and take the next step toward your university place.